I'm here all by myself. I'm out here in the middle of the woods. I've been hearing noises for a long time now. I keep trying to tell myself that, it's just the wind, the animals. But it don't sound like that. I'm leaving this videotape in case anybody finds this if I end up missing. All I know is there's been some strange things going on out here. I don't know if you heard that. It's this is the first time I've heard that. Sounds close. Anyways, I gotta find me some shelter quick. Anyway, it's January 6th, and according to my watch, it's 3:07 a.m.